Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be learning about the inbuilt or predefined predicate functional interface. Basically, a predicate is a function that evaluates the given input. It will be evaluating the given input and it will be returning Boolean value. It will be returning a Boolean value, which is true or false. It will be returning a true or false. So basically, predicate is a function which evaluates the given input and it will return the true or false. Okay, as predicate is a functional interface, as predicate is a functional interface, as predicate is a functional interface, the predicate will be having the a single abstract method called test, which will be taking an argument of type t and it will be returning the boolean value. And it will be returning the boolean value, which is true or false. It will be returning the boolean value, which is true or false. Now, in addition to this abstract method, we can write any number of default and static methods, right? In the same way, the predicate will be having the other default and static methods. So let's look at them. What are they? So here you can see. So test, as I told you, test is a abstract method which will be taking an argument of type t and it will be returning the boolean value, right? Okay, and we have in addition to this, we have the default methods. See, three default methods we have, and we have a static method. So here you can see is equal is a static method. Okay, so uh, what is a predicate? Predicate is a functional interface which takes an argument of type t and it will return the boolean value. It will return the boolean value which is true or false. Okay, I think that's all for now. In the next video, we will be seeing an example on the predicate. Okay, until then, thank you for watching.